Alrighty folks, we're going to take the scenic route out of here. It can be treacherous, it looks like. No, it ain't that treacherous. Seatbelt on. Scott went the other way. We're going this way. Forest is closed. Oh, I should have washed the windshield. Crap. Big rocks to get up in the road. The back wheels are sliding on Honey when we rocked. It's not all that steep, but that was a weird feeling. Ain't that right, Lulu? Pretty good trenches up here in the road. Here's a pretty good switchback right here. But we have seen travel trailers come up and down this road. About 25 foot. You hear everything swinging in the back. It's a pretty rocky, swayy road in a rig. Make it wide. Coming. And right before here is the trenches. And right before we left, a big box truck come up this way. We slid a little bit. Becky's got to be really careful through here because the exhaust on Bobbee is hanging low. Ooh, that didn't feel good. Get up here. That's about right there is about the worst of it. Now the other direction that Scott went was way worse. Longer. Not as steep, but longer trenches. There's some more right here. Stay up on them. And a banner over here. There's another site right over here. I don't know if they don't know that the forest is now closed. and tell them. Look to your right, there's that silver beagle. Left, not right. Lay down. The National Forest. Have they put any signs up yet? Nope. Back there.
Yeah.
That's it for the ruts. It's kind of like this all the way out now. Pavement's actually right up here.
Alright.
Down in the dirt. Real bad. I've been a real bad boy on the town all night. Starting to calm down with the morning light. I'm in the dirt. Down in the dirt. Down in the dirt. Down in the dirt. Down in the dirt.
Now for 337. Turning off of Juan Thomas Road. 1, 2, 337.